Hi everyone, so as you have seen in the thumbnail that today we're going to draw mini Goku or Goku as a kid. For that purpose I'm using a 3B pencil. They're called graphite pencils or special drawing pencils. They are usually available at stationery stores, but for now it's not necessary to use it. You can use literally any pencils that you have right now. For today's tutorial we have got the reference over there with a stickman drawn on it, and what we're gonna do is draw that stickman on our paper. Drawing a simple stickman helps a lot for drawing full bodies. It helps us keep everything in place and it keeps the proportions right. For your first step, you're gonna draw the stickman as same as possible because the rest of your drawing depends on it. Also, you can take as much time as you want, and please do not feel like you're taking too long to draw it because this drawing took me around 2 hours and it can easily take you longer than that. So yeah, don't worry and just try to draw it as similar as mine, and it's also not that necessary, but just try, and I literally assure you that this tutorial is gonna be so easy. For our next step, what we're gonna do is draw the basic shape of the whole body around that stickman like this. Do not put much pressure on the pencil. Draw everything lightly in the beginning, just like me. Drawing the basic shape of the whole outfit or the whole body like this lightly before actually drawing the whole body helps a lot. You're gonna see that in this tutorial, so keep watching for the magic to happen. As we are done with lightly drawing the basic shape of the body like this, let's mark the center of the circle. You can also use any circular object for drawing the circle, but compass is always a better option because it gives you the center of the circle at the same time. So after finding out the center, we're gonna draw a center line which is not straight but a little bit tilted, and then a vertical center line as well which is not right in the center because we are quite drawing in proportions, and another horizontal line in the lower half of the circle like this. These two lines are basically gonna help us draw the eyes, but we're not drawing the eyes right now. What we're gonna do is first of all draw the face shape, and then we will be drawing the body. Also, as this is a mini version of Goku, so the jawline or the face shape is very round, so yeah, it's gonna be very easy. I personally believe that even 10-year-olds can draw this thing easily, so if you're older, don't worry at all. All you need to do is just pick up a pencil and a paper and then follow this tutorial step by step. If you feel like I'm going too fast, you can pause the video, take a moment and just keep drawing the stuff like this. Here's another thing I wanted to say. If you're probably new on my channel and you may not see my channel again, I would recommend liking this video because then it will be saved in your liked videos on YouTube, and from there you can find me again. Also, I hope that you're getting the feeling that this tutorial is gonna be easy so far. Okay, so you might say that I am talking too much, but here's another thing that I want to say. So if you're going to draw this sketch using my tutorial, or maybe you are drawing right now, or maybe you will in the future, so whenever you do, I would appreciate it if you share your drawing process story in the comment section and how much time it took you to draw this, because the other viewers are probably curious and it just might help them. Thank you so much. So okay, we're almost 5 minutes in this tutorial, and if you're drawing this, it may have already been a half hour. So yeah, it's just natural and don't get worried about it. So we are drawing the legs right now, and as you can see, they are pretty easy as well. And also because we have already marked the basic structure, and now it's helping us to draw the actual stuff. I forgot to draw the basic shape for the shoes, so I'm doing it now because we might mess up without it. Also, English is not my first language, so I may have been making a lot of grammatical mistakes, so I'm gonna apologize for that. Must have been a real inconvenience. Forgive me, please. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the fist, or simply just the hand, and I'm lightly drawing the individual fingers before actually drawing the fingers. It's also helping us the same way. It prevents us from drawing one finger bigger and the other smaller. They will all have uniform sizes if we mark their spaces before. Also, I would recommend you visiting my channel as well, because I have got a lot of Goku drawings on my page and the other characters as well, and you can check them out. It will help you and me and you. Also, I have made few playlists for individual characters as well. It is convenient for the viewers who are looking for the characters from the same anime or different drawings of the same character. I'm gonna be adding more playlists in the future. Also, I forgot to tell you that you're not gonna go ahead and draw everything as dark as mine. I mean, dude, I'm giving a tutorial and I am drawing it darkly just to be clear. You don't have to do that. You need to hold your pencil lightly and draw lightly, because doing dark strokes is not as convenient as doing the light strokes. Putting a lot of pressure on the pencil can ruin the drawing, and it's also difficult to get rid of the dark strokes if they go wrong. So draw lightly, and you can darken all the outline later when you are done with this sketch. Okay, so now we're finally gonna draw the face and the hair. I'm drawing the hair first of all because there are just few irregular spikes and it's gonna be easy. Just watch closely. Okay, so now it's time for drawing the facial features. The nose and the mouth are very simple. As you can see, just a single stroke for both of them. But the eyes are gonna be a little bit complex. So watch closely, pay attention. Okay, so we're done with our sketch and it's time to remove all the unnecessary guidelines that we drew earlier. And after removing them, we have to neaten and darken our outline because it's smudged. After neatening our outline, it's time to do the shading, and I'm gonna try and make it as simple as possible for you guys. I will be cutting out every complex thing out of it. Also, I'm not changing any pencil grade, I'm keeping the same pencil because the shading in this sketch is not a big deal and we don't need a lot of pencils to do it. Our sketch is done, and if you like this tutorial then don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Let's see you in the next tutorial. Bye.